Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Azli Hakim bin Muhammad Saidi. I'm from program Bachelor of Medical and Health Science. My student ID is 9602280355830001. Okay, today I will be presenting on my optimizing economics strategies for a healthier and more productive workplace. This presentation is part of MBCP 2522 Occupational Safety and Healthcare Management. Introduction. Economics play a vital role in creating safe and healthy workplace. In this presentation, I will discuss the importance of economics, the type of economic hazards, way to optimize economics, case study and recommendation. What is economics? Economics is the science of fitting the job to the worker. It ensures that work environments support comfort, safety, and efficiency. When economics is applied properly, it can prevent injuries and improve performance. Okay, why economics matters? Poor economics lead to discomforts, reduced productivity, and long-term injuries. Good economics improve job satisfaction, reduce absenteeism, and keep workers safe. Organizations benefit from improved efficiency and lower healthcare costs. Okay, type of economic hazards. There are four main types of economic hazards. First, physical. Second, environmental. Third, organizational. And fourth is cognitive. The physical hazards include awkward posture and repetitive motion. The second, environmental, is include lighting and noise. The third, organizational, is related to job schedule and workload. And the last one is cognitive hazard, include mental fatigue and stress. Musculoskeletal disorder, or known as MSDs, are one of the most common workplace injuries. They include back pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, and neck strain. This condition often occur due to repetitive motion, poor posture, or incorrect workstation setup. Early warning symptom. Early symptoms may include tingling, numbness, stiffness, headache, or reduced productivity. These are signs that economic adjustment are needed before symptoms become serious. Okay, principle of good economics. Good economics is built to maintaining neutral posture, ensuring proper alignment, taking regular breaks, and adjusting workstation to the needs of each worker. This principle help prevent injuries and increase comfort. Academic workstation setup. A proper workstation is essential. The chair should support the lower back, feet should be flat on the floor, elbows should be 19 degrees, the monitor should be at eye level to avoid neck strain. Helpful ergonomic tool. There are many equipment options that support ergonomics. These include adjustable chair, seat stand desk, monitor risers, footrest, and ergonomic keyboard. These tools help maintain proper posture and reduce strain. Digital economics. With increased computer use, a digital economic is essential. The 20-20-20 rule helps prevent eye strain. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Then a proper monitor distance and screen filter also can help we or us to protect our eyes. Economy for manual job. For manual handling tasks or job, safe lifting techniques are crucial. Workers should bend their knees, avoid twisting, lift items close to the body, and use mechanical aids when possible. Training reduces the risk of injury. Get help for the heavy loads. Okay. Next, okay, organizational ergonomics. Ergonomics not only physical, it also involves work organization, job rotation, proper work rest cycle, yearly reporting of symptoms, and training program help create healthier and more efficient workplace. Okay, case study. Problem. About 62% of staff report increasing back and neck pain over 3 months. Symptoms include stiffness, reduced focus, and afternoon fatigues. 12% rise in musculoskeletal related absenteeism. Workstations were poorly adjusted, movement breaks were infrequent. Intervention that we need first workstation ergonomic adjustment, that was personalized chair and monitor adjustment, improve lumbar support and proper eye level screen alignment, optimize desk layout for reduced reach and strain. Second, stretch and micro break program, 2-minute guide stretch break every 55 to 60 minutes every day. Desktop reminders to promote compliance. And third, ergonomic equipment provide like ergonomic keyboards, vertical or contour mice, wrist support, footrest, optional standing desk converts. The outcome that we get is about 35% reduction in back or neck pain after 10 weeks, 48% increase in workstation satisfaction, and 12% boost in productivity with fewer discomfort related interruption. Staff report improved posture, comfort, and end of day energy level. Benefit of economics optimization. Implementing economic improvements leads healthier workers, favor injuries, improve morale, and better efficiency. Organizations save on medical costs and benefit from a more productivity workforce. Recommendation. I here recommend regular economics assessment, ongoing training, and encouraging early reporting. These steps will help create a safe and sustainable workplace environment for all of us, and especially for the staff that have the economics problem or any abnormals. In conclusion, ergonomics play a crucial role in improving workplace health and productivity. Simple adjustment can have significant positive impacts. A commitment to ergonomic benefits both worker and organization. Okay, thank you for listening to my presentation. That's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.